Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think this is very likely going to make 3 waves down for wave 4 before it actually goes up and makes the wave 5. Let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, I still think this is a wave A. Now, the thing is we can't say for sure the wave B is over because we don't have a breaker structure, which means that this could continue the uptrend pretty easily and still be part of a wave B. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, if you are daily, looking at the daily as your roadmap, the daily trend is down. Until we actually get a break to the upside on the daily, I probably would be looking for shorts on sort of time frames. Hopefully, we do get a nice break and hold below structure, which will hopefully help confirm that the wave B really is complete. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So like I said, the trend is definitely down on the 4 hour time frame, which means for now, any move I see to the upside, I would be looking at as possibly a crescent to the last move down. Just like this move up right here is a crescent to this, and this move up right here is a crescent to this move up right here is a crescent to this. We are definitely, at least until we get a break of structure, going to look at every move up as just a crescent to the last wave down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So technically, we really don't have much of a break to the upside yet, but once we do, we can throw a Fibonacci retracement on here like this, and then like I said, as long as we don't get a break of structure, I would definitely be looking at every move to the upside as possibly just a crescent to the downtrend. So if we do get a nice little move to the upside and a nice little Fibonacci bounce and with a big engulfing move to the downside, I would for sure continue to look for shorts on these sort of time frames unless we get a break of structure to the upside. If we do, then I will definitely start looking for buys. But until then, as a trader that trades above the 1 hour time frame mostly, I am definitely going to be looking for shorts at the end of 3 way pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.